Morning folks, finally it's arrived, what I think is the best deal on Amazon for football cards. 5 slabbed Prism or Panini or Topps Chrome cards. Let's see what we get. £9 this cost me. The slabs alone cost around £5 on Amazon at the moment. It's insane. I can't believe the value, to be honest. Yeah. A Wonder Kid, Ethan Wheatley. Another Wonder Kid. Is that a numbered player? A numbered card. Tavernier. That's amazing. I'd say that's Martinez. So for £9, I've got 5 slabs and 5 random Topps. I think it's Topps or Panini, but it seems to be all Topps that I got. That has to be 10 out of 10. I have to get more of these. Enjoy, lads.